Hello viewers, this is Revati Dandabani from Master Arichudi. If you are watching my channel for the first time, you please subscribe and press the bell button to get my videos immediately. Dear Libra sign, Libra ascendants, Chittirai 3rd and 4th Padam, Swati, Visakam 1st, 2nd, 3rd Padam constellation viewers. Your sign lord and 8th house lord Venus in Leo, your 11th house in the beginning of the month, and from August 12th, he transits to Virgo in a debilitated status. When Venus is in Leo, your long-lasting desires will be fulfilled and you may get profits as expected. But when he moves to Virgo, there may be tiresome travels and unnecessary expenses when he moves to Virgo. This month, women progress is not so good. In the house and in the office, women may get problems from women's side itself. First half of the month will be favorable for artists, but in the second half, there may be ups and downs. 9th and 12th house lord, Mercury in Cancer, 10th house, till August 8th, and moves to 11th house Leo after August 9th. Education side will be bright. Chances for higher education are seen. You may get admission in the required college and the subject you wish. Chances for marriage proposals are seen bright. Love affairs will be successful this month. You may get help and support from your father, but you cannot avoid tiresome travels and unnecessary expenditure. 2nd and 7th house lord Mars in Leo, your 11th house. So fund flow will be flawless without bumps. Family life will be harmonious and family members will cooperate. House relationship will be intimate with love and affection. Friends and business partners will cooperate. 3rd and 6th house lord Jupiter is placed in Aquarius, your 5th house. So all your efforts will be successful. Ailments so far suffered will come to an end. Chances for clearance of old debts are seen bright. Those who are waiting for childbirth will have a chance to get babies. Jupiter aspects over 9th house Gemini, 11th house Leo, and your sign Libra. So you may get the help and support from your father. Elder siblings will cooperate. 4th and 5th house lord Saturn in Capricorn, your 4th house, will make you get the blessings from your family deity. Chances for expenses over children are seen. Luxuries and comforts will almost be favorable. Take care of your mother's health with due medical advice. Saturn aspects over your 6th house Pisces, 10th house Cancer, and your sign Libra. So be cautious in financial dealings. Don't stand as surety for anyone. Do take care of your health. If you feel any ailment, better take medical advice immediately. There may be dull situation in business, trade and career. You have to work very hard in the workplace. Avoid third-party interference in family affairs as your sign is aspected over by Saturn. You may get sudden fund flow and may have confusions because of 8th house dragon Rahu in Taurus. Involve yourself spiritually, religiously along with yoga and meditation to overcome the confusions and problems created by dragon Ketu in your 2nd house Scorpio. Worship of Lord Lakshmi Narasimha and Lord Murugan along with the family deity worship will be beneficial. Month begins with 10th house Lord Moon in your 7th house Aries. Moon moves to 8th house on August 2nd, 3rd, 30th and 31st. On these days, avoid travels and new ventures. Away yourself from controversies. Be cautious while driving vehicles. If your ascendant falls in the same sign, set predictions may be taken. If otherwise, go in for the prediction of the sign where your ascendant falls. Based on your birth chart, Dasa Bhukti, predictions may vary. It is a general prediction based on Tirkanita Panjangam. Planetary transits on August 9th, Mercury moves to Leo. August 12th, Venus moves to Virgo. August 16th, Sun moves to Leo. Thank you very much for watching my videos. Please like, comment, share and subscribe. Thank you.